in the video that it did take me several attempts to get it cut through in just one pass, and that's not because the laser had difficulties, it's because I'm trying to showcase how fast the machine can cut through the material using only one pass. I hope that you like this video so far. If you do, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, or ring that notification bell. Let's continue on with even yet more acrylic and stepping up to this 3/8 black acrylic. Now, the color of the acrylic doesn't matter with the CO2 laser. I'm just simply moving on to black 3/8 because I don't have it currently in stock in 3/8 clear. Three-eighths black acrylic is all complete, and yep, I forgot to unmirror this image from when I was doing the clear acrylic. Well, I'll just chalk that up as experience. And don't worry, at the very end of the video, I'll have all of the keychain samples and engraving samples on top of the machine, and I'll do a close-up flyby. That way we can see just how clean cut all of the edges are on all of the sample materials. With this complete, it's time to move back over to some wood and plywood, starting off with this 1/4-inch Baltic plywood. The 1/4-inch plywood keychain, it turned out absolutely fantastic. And 1/4-inch plywood is up there with one of my favorite materials to use with the Onyx laser machine. It sits right next to working with acrylics. Next, I want to see what the Onyx laser machine can do with this 1/2-inch thick red oak. I ended up making 2 of these keychains, and that's because in the first one, the slug for the key ring hole, it stuck on. There was just two of the smallest connected parts of that wood that wouldn't allow it to cleanly drop out. So I adjusted the settings slightly so that the part would cleanly drop out of the work material. Next, I'm going to color mark a stainless steel keychain. Let's take a closer look at two key things I'm going to do to make sure that this will take marking from a CO2 laser and that this shiny reflective surface doesn't damage the laser machine. Here's a close-up of the stainless steel keychain, and we'll see as I kind of twitch it around, it absolutely is a mirror finish. Again, if I put this directly in the laser machine back here, the reflection of the laser beam off of this tag will damage the machine, and the CO2 laser will not be able to mark this bare stainless steel surface. So to solve two problems with one step, I'm going to apply a masking agent to this keychain, which will block the reflectivity, and this CRC dry moly will allow the CO2 laser to color mark this stainless steel tag. Here's one of the keychains sprayed with that dry moly lube, and we'll see it's no longer reflective and it has a nice matte finish. It's now ready to go inside the machine. We're going to see that when I move the reflection back and forth around the letters, you're going to see that the metal is slightly indented a little bit. And this means that this color marking, it's not just on the surface, but it's actually protruding going into the metal a little bit. This engraving is not going to just rub or scratch off easily. It's now a part of